Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to synchronize contacts from iPhone to iPad mini 7th generation. If you want to have the same list of contacts on your iPad as you have on your iPhone, what you need to do is go to settings, both on iPad and your iPhone. Then you will need to go to your Apple account. You will need to use the same Apple account on both devices, so make sure you are using the same account. And then go to iCloud. Then over here you should be able to find the information about what is being saved on iCloud. You might need to press See All over here in order to find contacts. And now once we have contacts, we can tap on the switcher in order to turn on and off the synchronization of contacts between different devices. You want to make sure that contacts is actually enabled both on iPad and your iPhone. Once you have that enabled on both devices using iCloud, these two devices should be now synchronized and you should have the same list of contacts on both devices. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!